Hello Smarties, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn the letter Sheen. The letter Sheen. The letter Sheen makes the sh sound. Sh. What does your teacher tell when the classroom gets too noisy? Shh. The letter Sheen makes the sh sound. Let's see how to write it. It's very easy. You need to make two teeth and a big belly, and don't forget 3 dots on top. So make 2 teeth and a big belly, and don't forget the 3 dots on top. Now we have 2 letters which look the same except one has 3 dots on it. These are our letters Sheen and Sheen. Sheen, Sheen. The letter Sheen has no dots on it, and the letter Sheen has 3 dots on it. Let's see the short sounds it makes. Short sounds are Sawt Qasir. When the letter has Fathah, Kasra or Dammah on it. Sheen with a Fathah, Sha. Sheen with a Kasra, Shi. Sheen with a Dammah, Shu. Sha, Shi, Shu. Let's see some words with the short sound. Shams, Shams. Shita, Shita. Shurti, Shurti. Shams, Sheen Fatha. Shams means sun. Shita, Sheen Kasra. Shita means winter. Shurti with the Sheen Dhamma, and Shurti means policeman. Here is our Sawt Taweel, the long sound, when there is Alif, Waaw or Ya after the letter. Sheen with Alif next to it, Sha. Sheen with Ya next to it, She. Sheen with Waaw next to it, Shu. Sha, She, Shu. Let's see some words with the long sound. Shari', Shari'. Shari' means street. Yamshi, Yamshi. Yamshi means walking. Qushur, Qushur. Qushur means the peel. This is how Sheen looks when it's by itself. And this is how it looks at the beginning, in the middle and at the end of the word. Did you notice that at the beginning and in the middle it loses its belly? Only at the end, because it has space, it will let its belly out. So at the beginning, just the teeth and the 3 dots, and it will join hands with the letter next to it. In the middle, the 2 teeth with the 3 dots on top, and it will connect with the letter before and after it. And at the end, it will connect with the letter before it. You will make the 2 teeth and its belly, because at the end of the word, it has space to let its belly out. Now you know the different forms of the letter Sheen, how it looks at the beginning, in the middle and at the end. In these words, we have the missing letter Sheen. Can you try to fill them? Let's do the first one. Tree in Arabic is shajara. Here we have a missing Sheen at the beginning. Will you choose this one or this one? Look at the little hands. We need one little hand to connect with the letter after, so we will choose this one. Shajara, Shajara. Next one. Eyelashes in Arabic is rimash, Rimash. Which Sheen will you choose? This one or this one? Here we have letter Meme, and Meme will join its hands with the letter Sheen. So we will choose this one. Connect it and make the letter Sheen. Feather in Arabic is Rish, Rish. Which Sheen will you choose? This one or this? We know that this Sheen is the one in the middle. Sheen at the end will let its belly out. So we will choose this one. Connect it with the letter Ya and make the sheen. Don't forget the 3 dots. Last question. Trees in Arabic is ashjar. So tree is shajara and trees is ashjar. So now we have a missing sheen in the middle. Can you think which sheen will we use? This one or this one? We know that this is the sheen used in the middle to connect with the letter before and after. But will we use this one or this one? You are right, we will use this one because the letter Alif does not join hands with the letter after it. Ashjar.
Yay! Now we know the letter very well.
Don't forget to subscribe and we will learn something new in the next video.